This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to activate a CIBC credit card. If you've just received your new card and are eager to start using it, you're in the right place. Activating your CIBC credit card is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step to make sure you're ready to go without any hiccups. First things first, you'll want to grab your phone and open the CIBC mobile banking app. If you haven't already, sign into your account using your credentials. Once you're signed in, scroll down to locate the menu icon that corresponds to the credit card you're planning to activate. This is your starting point for managing your card settings. Once you've found the right card, go ahead and tap on it. This will bring up a series of options. You'll want to scroll down until you see the option labeled Manage My Card. Tap on that and you're getting closer to having your card ready for use. Now, you'll see an option to Activate Card. Tap on this and you'll be prompted to enter some important details. This includes your card number, the expiry date printed on the card, and the CVV security code, which you'll find on the back of the card. Be sure to enter this information carefully to avoid any errors. After you've entered your card details, tap Activate Card. But you're not done just yet. You'll be asked to create a personal identification number, or PIN, for your card. This step is crucial for your security. Enter a 4-digit PIN that you'll remember easily, then re-enter it to confirm. Once both entries match, tap Next. At this point, CIBC will send a verification code to the phone number you have registered with them. Keep an eye on your messages for this code and make sure you enter it within the time limit provided. Once you've entered the code, tap Next to proceed. To finalize your card activation, you'll need to visit any CIBC ATM. Insert your card into the machine and enter the PIN you just created. This step is essential to complete the activation process. Once your PIN is verified by the ATM, your CIBC credit card will be fully activated and ready to use for all your purchases. And that's how to activate a CIBC credit card. With these steps, you're now ready to enjoy the benefits and convenience of your new card. Remember, keeping your PIN secure is important, so make sure not to share it with anyone. Happy shopping!